Hello kids, my beautiful pretties. That made no sense at all, but welcome to my new smoothie recipe. It's pineapple cinnamon smoothie. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. Orgasmicpathways.com. Choose your pathways. So for this one, this is very much a cleansing, detoxing, gently on a daily basis, something you can do every day. And particularly with the cinnamon is the #1 superfood the planet grows for your pancreatic health. Your pancreas is what regulates your blood sugar. Your blood sugar levels affects your energy immediately. And for people that are diabetic or pre-diabetic, this is enormously beneficial for you. It's enormously beneficial for people who are neither pre or diabetic, if you just want to prevent it altogether. One of my friends said, if you don't eat like you're a diabetic, you will become one. I would modify that too. Most likely you will become one, because there are some of us who are very lucky who just don't have that predisposition, but most of us, almost all of us do, including yours truly. If I don't eat like I'm a diabetic, I will someday become one, even though I'm super healthy and I'm far away removed from it. But if I were to, I don't know, eat the way most people eat and not exercise, I would become a diabetic. There's no question about it. So let's get on with this one. The pineapple, by the way, is very cleansing. It's also got bromelain, which is nature's natural pain reliever. Now the bromelain is mostly in the core of the pineapple. And if you've got a really powerful blender like a Vitamix or a Nutribullet Prime or a Blend Tech, then you can pulverize that pineapple core. But there's still some bromelain in the rest of it. And also the rest of it, the fleshy part, there's a lot of cleansing elements. It's really good for gut health, your digestive system. It's wonderful. Pineapple, love it. And combining the two, cinnamon and pineapple, well, you get all those benefits for regulating blood sugars, you get all those fibers, all those vitamins, the cleansing and detoxing stuff, the bromelain, all those things. And flavor-wise, this is another reason why I pair these two together. Cinnamon and pineapple go so well together. You're going to really enjoy this. And since I mentioned medical stuff and diagnoses like diabetes, I'm not an expert. I'm a layperson sharing information with you. If you have any concerns, just check with your healthcare professional. I don't do any of this to undermine any of them. So having said that, one other ingredient we're going to add, so maybe I should call this the cinnamon pineapple arugula smoothie. In fact, I think it will. Arugula is also very cleansing, specifically the blood. So we're going to cleanse, detox the gut, the digestive health, help our blood sugars, our blood sugar health. Also, we're going to cleanse the blood in addition to the gut with this wonderful arugula. Our spleen, which produces the erythrocytes and the red blood cells, which are the oxygenated parts of our blood cells, and the oxygen. Also, this is going to help our circulatory system, especially if you take this option of cayenne pepper, which I'll show you as well. So that improves the circulation. So all these nutrients goes to all of our 1 trillion cells throughout our entire body, cleansing and detoxing our blood, our gut health, our blood sugar levels, all these things happening at once by mixing these ingredients together. Pineapple, cinnamon, and arugula, and a bunch of other stuff too, but we're going to focus on these. So I've already gotten started on mixing this up, this canister here. I put water in it already. I don't know, 8 to 10, 12. You pick your thickness or thinness of your smoothie that you prefer. And then after that, I put in my meal shake mix, Shakeology. There's Sun Warrior is very good, Vega is very good. I've personally evaluated both of those. Of course, this one I evaluated as well because I am using this one. All three are great. This one, if you decide to try the Shakeology, the plant-based, I've been selling this for years. So if you want to support me, just ask me for my specific referral link. I will send that to you, and if you try this on my individualized link, then I earn a commission, and I always appreciate support. Otherwise, Sun Warrior, Vega, you can find those at a lot of health food places, and those are also very, very good. So I've already put a serving of this in here. So water and your choice of smoothie mix, powder form, and I've already put a big old fistful of arugula in here. Good stuff. Pineapple chunks, I haven't done that yet. I was like halfway through making this and I decided I should do a video, but I don't have to backtrack and show you how to put water into a canister and other ingredients, so what else? So a good fistful of pineapple, a little more. Now the cinnamon I used is a cinnamon bark essential oil by a company called Now. I think Now is pretty good. So just 2 drops of this. Don't do any more. This is about 500 times the potency of cinnamon powder or something crazy like that. If you want to use cinnamon powder, that is fine. Make sure it's true cinnamon so that it's not irradiated and it's got all of the health benefits to help bring your pancreas up to optimal health so that your blood sugars can be at optimal health. So that's super important. And now the optional ingredient. Don't worry if you can't handle cayenne pepper. This is still crazy good for you. And you're still going to get a lot of circulatory support with these other ingredients. This just happens to be like a super booster for circulatory health and to help deliver all these wonderful nutrients throughout our entire body, nourish our blood, our gut, cleansing, detoxing, all that stuff. This certainly kicks that up quite a bit. Now, most people that do use cayenne pepper just use a couple of dashes. It might equate to half a teaspoon. I'm using a full tablespoon. I can take a lot of heat for a white boy. I love it, so I take advantage of the fact that I love cayenne pepper and it's so good for me, so I'll just load up on it. No problem with that at all. So there it is, a full tablespoon. So now I got all these wonderful ingredients in here. Gonna blend it up. Add a little bit more water. I think it's going to need more water. No, it doesn't. It's actually about perfect. All right, never mind. Now I'm going to pour it into my handy little glass here so that you can see it. Look at how beautiful that is. Oh, so decadent. I love it. Did you notice that clump that fell out? I guess I should have blended it a little longer. Oh, yes. Oh, that's so good. And the arugula, it's got a very peppery kind of taste to it. And the pineapple and cinnamon cuts through that and makes that taste. So this pairing is so wonderful, not just medicinally, nutritionally, but also flavor-wise. The cinnamon and pineapple, and then putting the arugula to cut through the peppery taste of that, but still bring the peppery taste out in a very complementary kind of way with those other ingredients. It's amazing. You can taste all those flavors in here and how they go well together. And a lot of people don't like arugula by itself, but with these other ingredients. So arugula salad, by the way, I've got a recipe for that in my recipe blog, video and typed out. Look for that. It's arugula pear salad. So dicing up a pear and putting that in your arugula salad. The pear, it's the same kind of concept. It just pairs really well flavor-wise, and it's also very good for you. And the pears are abnormally high in fiber. So eating a pear a day, in addition to a well-balanced plant-based diet, goes a long way towards digestive health, gut health, and just gently detoxing and cleansing the body on a daily basis, which makes you feel good on a daily basis. Helps you sleep better, which in turn is also going to help you feel good throughout the day if you're getting good sleep. And everything is just complementary. Everything relates to everything, the basics, or the basis of holistics, right? So cheers. God, that's good. Comment below. Tell me you made this and how it went for you, how much you loved it, if you made any modifications, if you used cayenne pepper or not, or how much you used. I'd love to hear about it. Bye for now, everybody. More stuff coming soon. OrgasmicPathways.com. Bye for now.